Assalamu alaikum, grade 9. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to take the first lesson in mechanical action and equilibrium of a body. We will take the first part of this lesson, and within 2 days, inshallah, we will take the second part. First of all, we will define force. What is force? Force is a mechanical action exerted by a body on another body. It's push or pull. For example, if I push the table, then I'm exerting a force on this table. Or if I'm pulling the window, then also I'm exerting a force on this window. Force is expressed in a Newton. So the unit of the force is a Newton. If I have the magnitude of the force 2, for example, so the magnitude of this force is 2 Newton. 2 and capital. Now, the second title is force vector. The force is represented by a vector of a specific direction. Each force can be represented or drawn as a vector as you see here, because each force has a specific direction. Like here, the force is directed up to the left. This force is directed downward. This force is directed to the right. Then they are represented as vectors. Now we will take application 1. A force of vector of magnitude 4 Newton is directed upward. We draw this force given the scale 1 centimeter, yani each 1 centimeter gives 2 Newton. Okay, the answer here. How can I draw this force? I don't have its length. I don't have how much centimeter it is. Okay, but I have its magnitude 4 Newton. We put the scale as you know, and we put 4 Newton. Under which number can I put 4 Newton? Under 1 centimeter or under 2 Newton? As you know, Newton under Newton. Okay, we put 4 here. We multiply 1 centimeter times 4 divided by 2. 1 times 4, 4 divided by 2, 2 centimeter. So the length of this force vector is 2 centimeter. We draw 2 centimeter upward as he asked me to draw it. Application 2. A force of length 3 centimeter is directed to the right. Calculate the magnitude of this force vector, knowing that the scale, each 1 centimeter gives 0.5 Newton. Here, no need to draw it. He asked me to calculate its magnitude, just its magnitude, yani how many Newton it is. Sorry. How can I calculate its magnitude? We have its length 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter, I put it under the 1 centimeter, centimeter under centimeter. I multiply 3 times 0.5 divided by 1. 3 times 0.5, 1.5. 1.5 divided by 1, 1.5 in Newton. So the magnitude of this force, 1.5 in Newton. Okay. If you ask me, Miss, why you didn't put vector here above F? Because when I speak about the magnitude, no need to put vector. The vector is for direction. I will repeat. The vector above the force is for direction. When I speak about the magnitude, no need to put vector above F. Application 3. A force of length 2 centimeter is directed up to the right, making 30 degrees with the horizontal. Draw this force. Okay, I have its length, so I can draw it, and he said it's up to the right. But he said making 30 degrees with the horizontal. This is the horizontal line. We can use the protractor. All of you can draw an angle with 30 degrees. This is an angle with 30 degrees, but its length should be how much? 2 centimeter. This vector is of 2 centimeter and it's up to the right. Now, the third title, characteristics of a force. Each force has 4 characteristics. What are they? The first characteristic is point of application. What do we mean by point of application? The place where the force is applied. يعني the force is applied from a point. This point is the point of application. The point of application is either the contact point, if the force is acting by contact, or center of gravity if the force is acting from a distance. The force acting by contact or force acting by distance, we will take them next session inshallah. So if the force is acting by contact, you should know that the point of application is the contact point. If the force is acting from a distance, what is the point of application? The point of application must be center of gravity. Okay, you have this example here. I have this force vector. From where the force is applied, من وين طلع هيدي الفورس؟ من point A. So what is the point of application here? The point of application here is A. طيب. The second characteristic is line of action, or we say sense. Okay, it can be vertical, horizontal, or oblique. Sorry, sense is direction. Line of action can be vertical, as you see here, horizontal, or oblique. The direction it can be up, down, right, or left. طبعا فيها تكون up to the right, up to the left, down right, down left. The last one of the characteristics is magnitude. Magnitude is the quantity of force, يعني how much the force is, يعني how many Newton it is. طب, how can I measure the magnitude? I can measure the magnitude of the force by using the dynamometer. Okay, we use dynamometer. It is an instrument used to measure the magnitude of the force. طيب. Here we have a note. If we have weight, I can, instead of using dynamometer, use a rule. What is it? Weight equal mass times gravity, you know it, or W equal M times G. Thank you.